So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Steel BSL share. So previously, when we discussed about this particular stock, we have done the complete technical analysis and also we discussed what are the major regions that we need to focus. So it has given a very good breakout after the golden crossover that was observed in it, and that we have discussed in separate video followed by Telegram group as well. So today we'll try to upgrade the levels. We'll see what are the major regions that we need to focus in the next coming sessions, and also we'll try to compare the deliveries on day-to-day basis so that we'll get the complete picture about the stock. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so if we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Tata Steel BSL, so you can see on 4th August we have seen 37.9% deliveries, and you can see the spike in the traded quantity because of the sudden volatility that was seen in the stock. So we have seen roughly around 4.4% positive movement. So almost after approaching the 98-99 rupees region, the stock has faced a little bit of resistance, and again it has come near the 97 rupees region. So today a very good movement was present. So market is at all-time high, so it is all well known to us. So despite that, few mid-cap stocks and small-cap stocks, so they are facing little bit of correction. So whenever correction happens, what is the best thing we need to do? We need to find out some very good quality stocks and we need to average. So that is one thing we need to follow on a regular basis. So here if we see Tata Steel BSL, also technically it was looking very bullish, and a similar set of pattern related to Tata Steel, the parent company. So same pattern is followed. So when Tata Steel goes up, so this particular stock also tries to rally in that particular range percentage wise. Okay, so now comes to the technical region. So what is the next breakout region that we need to focus? So we'll try to discuss once we go to technical charts. So quickly let's go to charts. Okay, so now we are back onto technical chart. So first we'll try to discuss on 1 week chart time frame. Okay, so once you see the 1 week chart, so you'll understand that the stock, after touching the all-time high of 1110 rupees level, we have seen a little bit of correction. So continuous correction was present, and again it has taken the support near the 90 rupees. So for a long time it was traveling in that particular range. So after giving a very good breakout followed by crossover which was generated, so we have seen some bullishness in the stock. So now we know this is a slow moving stock. It is not like operator driven where we have continuous upper circuits. So it takes little bit of time, and it also tests the patience. So you need to wait and hold it. So if you see the resistance wise, as I told, 98, 99. So that particular region is going to be very, very important. So after that 100. So you can take 100 as a very crucial region. So once it crosses that, and if it settles, and if it trades near that particular region, you can expect it will next cross its all-time high, which was around 1110 rupees level. So this is going to be very, very important. And money flow index wise, you can see that is near 67. So it is in mid-range. So crossover wise, we know few stocks take little bit of time. So few stocks react very rapidly and they show some continuous momentum. So it depends on company to company. So this is also taking its own time. So it will test your patience. So you need to hold it very cautiously. Okay, so this is on 1 week chart time frame. So let's go to 1 day chart. Okay, so before that, if we see today's movement of Tata Steel BSL, you can see it has approached the 98.80 rupees level. So almost it is near the resistive zone. So let's see where it closes. So as I told, 99.97, you can take that as 100 rupees. So once it crosses that, definitely you'll expect some very good rally in the stock. So right now, if you see, whenever the stock gives any big green candle, so once if you do the back testing also, so consecutive days it tries to correct. So that is obviously whenever high percentage movement happens. So next immediate 2 days we see little bit of correction. So especially talking about companies which are having some good market presence. So again, if it retraces, or as we discussed the region, so you need to focus that. So coming to support wise, so first support is going to be 95 rupees level. So that is going to be very, very important. So make sure you're putting those particular levels into radar. Okay, so this is on daily chart time frame as well. So 50-day exponential moving average is also very, very crucial. So from where first we have seen the reversal sign. So 83 is the money flow index in daily chart time frame. So little bit of overboughtness is present because of whatever technically it was looking very, very strong. So it is attractive to many people. So they also try to average and buy at whenever market shows any sort of correction. So observe the levels. So if you're having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.